For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
A month after banning 59 Chinese apps, India has now banned 47 more applications of Chinese origin in the country. The 47 banned Chinese apps were reportedly operating as clones of the earlier banned apps. The list of 47 Chinese applications banned by the Indian government is expected to be released soon. The Indian government has also reportedly prepared a list of over 250 Chinese apps, including apps linked to Alibaba, to be banned. Over 275 Chinese apps are under scrutiny for alleged violation of national security and citizens' privacy. The latest list reportedly includes gaming app PUBG and Ludo World, AliExpress and Xiaomi Zili. Some of the new applications to be banned were apps which were found to be versions of banned apps. TikTok Lite, Hello Lite, Share It Lite, Bigo Lite, VFY Lite. All of these applications were reportedly versions of apps which were previously banned and are currently unavailable on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. The Chinese applications that are being reviewed have allegedly been sharing data with the Chinese agencies. The latest decision to ban apps comes after the ban of 59 Chinese apps, including TikTok and Share It. The government of India banned the 59 apps as tensions with China along the border escalated after a violent, fatal face-off between the Indian and Chinese troops. The government said these apps were engaged in activities that were prejudicial to the sovereignty, integrity and defense of India. A press release stated that 59 apps were banned to protect the privacy of the citizens. The Ministry of Information Technology, invoking its power under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act, read with the relevant provisions of the Information Technology Rules 2009 and in view of the emergent nature of threats has decided to block 59 apps since in view of information available they are engaged in activities which are prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of state and public order. Just a day after this, Google said it removed all the 59 applications from Play Store. The Chinese Foreign Ministry also reacted to the ban on 59 apps by the Indian government and called the ban concerning. China is strongly concerned, verifying the situation. We want to stress that the Chinese government always asks Chinese businesses to abide by international and local laws, regulations. The Indian government has a responsibility to uphold the legal rights of international investors, including Chinese ones. The Ministry of Electronics and IT had previously issued a warning to the 59 banned Chinese apps to strictly comply with the government order or face legal action.